Lamai Night Market is one of the busiest food spots in Koh Samui, packed with street eats, lights and energy. In this one, we came hungry, tried a bit of everything and had a night full of laughs. We are at Tiki Bar on the beachfront of Lamai, having a pina colada. We just hired scooters and now we are going to spend tonight. We're going to have a quieter night. We went to New Year's Eve last night and tonight we've now got scooters and we are going to make our way to Lamai Food Market. We're going to have dinner there. It looked really good on our way back home last night and it's just looking like a vibrant market's place to go. And yeah, that's where we're going to go today. So later we're going to take you with the camera, try to record as much as possible. There are some places that they don't like recording, but we're going to do that. But for now, we're going to warm up with some of these cocktails, this pina colada. It's quite strong, and see where the night takes us. Keep going. All right, we're doing the taste test. What is it? Mai Tai?
Mai Tai. It's good.
Yeah?
It's good.
Out of 10?
What is the flavour of the Mai Tai?
I don't know how good that British is.
What is it, orange?
I guess so. I don't know. It's dark rum, light rum, some other things.
Yeah, they're strong here.
Yeah, they're strong, hey.
Yeah. The last time I had a Mai Tai, I was in those sunset cruise catamarans in Hawaii, Waikiki Beach.
Oh, yeah.
And they're free pouring on those cups, on those.
Yeah, in Hawaii.
They're free pouring the Mai Tais, and I was blasted. Where's this? The last time I had a Mai Tai was Hawaii.
But Mai Tais originate in Hawaii.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah,
yeah, they give you proper ones.
That was so strong.
Oh, nice.
Oh, caught me at the tip.
Not bad, eh?
Yeah, it's none.
Strong man. Oh.
We are here in the night markets of Lamai. There's a lot here happening, shops everywhere, and we're gonna get some food. Are we gonna get some food?
Yeah.
We're getting some mango sticky rice. Alright, can we get one mango sticky rice, please?
I'm so excited. You can get
Alright, how much is it?
60.
100?
Oh, yeah.
100, yeah.
20. We'll get one too. It's in a little baggie.
Wow, okay, so we got some mango.
Oh yeah, they're there.
So we got this. I don't know what that is.
Sticky rice.
And so what happens here?
You pour the coconut milk over the mango and the rice, and then it's so good.
Oh, yum. We'll let you know the reaction on that.
Eshe lad. What's the other word you know? Eatwa. What's the other one? What's the other one? They say eatwa.
That's Oj. Have you found anything? Yeah, can I please get one fried potato?
Would you like sir? Barbecue cheese, paprika and salt.
Barbecue cheese or prawn?
Yeah, barbecue cheese, paprika and salt.
Oh yes, please. Barbecue and salt, please. Yeah. There you go, barbecue and salt. We got that too. Hey! Let's go. Oh, you got all the salt in there. Nah, dog. Love it. There you go. Thank you. Oh, we got this. Thank you very much. Thank you. Wait, so this is what that is? That's cool. That's cool. It's deep fried as, and it's got the flavoring. That's cool. That is good, John. Oh, the salt, the seasoning, is what makes it, but it is so oily. Look how oily that is. Oh, but how much did that cost me? 60 bucks?
$3.
$3. Is that quite a lot?
Probably.
So we are deciding on what we just checked out the markets. We just ran through quite a lot actually. So there's 3 lanes in here. We got behind us those restaurants that we actually sit down and dine.
Yeah, that was good.
So we can either get those tables there, or we can get one of the options where we just eat food. Are we going for more finger food or restaurant
We're
food?
some finger food now. We might go to the restaurant thing.
I'm getting the sweats. I can't concentrate. But I want a Shanghai bun.
I'll get you a Shanghai
Someone
bun.
needs a beer.
No.
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 This is what that looks like. We got the wrong one. We actually wanted the prosciutto, which is what the bruschetta with the tomato, and we ended up getting the panini. But that's what we got. So we're gonna taste test this anyway. Alright, wow. I thought it was gonna be sus because of the way the meat was cooked, but that's actually really good. Alright, I'm gonna finish this and we'll go to the next one. We have got the beef Thai salad. So let's go and join everyone else. Thai beef salad.
Looks like nothing's in it.
No, Thai beef bowl.
Thai beef
Oh my
bowl.
god, look how small it is.
So we better give.
Okay.
How good is that?
Oh my god, yeah.
Is it actually good?
Beef tuna.
Oh, really?
See what that looks like. That feels like. That tastes like
What's that?
Seasoning.
barbecue, isn't it?
Pure salt.
And salt.
Alright.
Doesn't look the best, guys.
But it looks so good.
Alright. Off to a good start. Wait till the next meal.
Yeah.
Alright, we got the barbecue chicken. Let's go.
It looks hot. It's pork.
Oh, pork. Are you good?
Oh, it was nice.
What do you reckon? Out of 10?
7?
There's a lot of meat on there. Isn't
Yeah? What is it, dry or is it cooked?
It's cooked.
Cooked? Alright, let me have a try.
It's a lot of chewing.
There's a lot of chewing.
7.
It's good though. It's good, but I think it's a bit chewy.
It's a bit chewy.
It's a bit chewy. It's good flavor.
It's just like
It doesn't have that pork aftertaste, but it's a bit rubbery
not
chewy.
full off the bone.
Nah. Oh, thank you.
Another one.
Another. It was so good, guys. It was so good, guys. And we've got some veggie spring rolls. We haven't tested the veggie spring rolls. Let us know
No.
what that.
They're really hot.
Hot?
Oh, God.
Cool?
But really hot. But good.
Yummy?
Oh, that's cool. Oh, hot. It's hot.
What do you want?
Alright. I can't imagine us eating more food than this.
We got this.
Oh, the mango. Is that a dessert?
Yeah. That's why we didn't have rice
You
for
guys
dinner.
want that dessert.
It wasn't me.
I want it so bad.
She's been talking about it since before.
Oh, but it's
we
not a
left.
hot food, so you don't have to worry about the heat. That whole time wasn't recording.
Did you mean to quickly record?
Huh?
Were you meant to record it?
Yeah,
I was recording my reaction. Now I started recording. I just did a whole reaction on this and didn't press record, so I'm going to do it again for you. Now, what I said was the texture. The texture wasn't good with the mango rice because it's grainy and then it's like soft with the mango as well. Like,
Yeah, it's yum.
I don't know. Whoa.
You're just not a mango rice expert. He doesn't like it at all.
Yeah, it's just I like the flavor, but I just don't like the fact that I'm biting rice grains while I'm eating mango.
And it's hard.
But anyway, that's just me personally. That's for the review.
A few moments later.
I want the fruity one. Oh,
Right.
melon, banana, caramel, and chocolate. Oh, crepe.
Hey.
Oh, black forest.
And there we have it. That was the night markets in Lamai. We had some awesome meals. We all ate out, and you guys got to experience Lamai food market. Lamai food market. So I'm gonna wrap that video up and show you the next one. See you in the next one.